Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 1st February 2026. Title of Murli. At the time of the establishment of one kingdom, one religion and of law and order, transform yourself and become a world transformer. Bap Dada said, every Brahman child is the beloved of the Supreme Father. The Father has bestowed 3 thrones upon his loving and cherished children. The first is the throne of self-sovereignty, the throne of authority over the self. The second is the throne of Bap Dada's heart. The third is the throne of world sovereignty, the right to rule the world. So, do you constantly remain in the awareness of all these 3 thrones? Do you maintain that level of spiritual intoxication? Then Baba said, you are all witnessing the speed of time. Along with that, also observe the speed of your own spiritual effort. At present, a new world is being created through your new sanskars. Therefore, check to what extent the qualities of that new world have emerged in your practical, effort-filled life. Further, Baba explained the characteristics of that new world. The first characteristic is one kingdom. All Brahmins should check whether the rule of the self alone is operating, or whether at times, along with self-sovereignty, the rule of Maya also comes into effect. The second characteristic is one religion. Religion means inculcation of values. Your special value is purity. Therefore, also check whether complete purity has become your natural nature at all times, through thoughts, words, actions, and in relationships and connections. Finally, Baba said, the general time for making effort has passed, yet there is still a margin to transform the self through intense effort. Therefore, keep checking and keep changing. Always remember your title, I am a Master Almighty. Whatever a Master Almighty resolves is bound to happen. Determination is the key to success. Never lose this key. Blessing for today. May you be a conqueror of obstacles and, with your power of transformation, become worthy of receiving thanks from everyone. Details are: if someone insults you, transform that insult into upliftment in a second. If someone comes in front of you to test you with his sanskars or nature, then, by having the awareness of the One, adopt your elevated sanskars and nature of a merciful heart. When someone comes in front of you with bodily vision, transform that vision into soul-conscious vision. When you have learnt the art of transformation in this way, you will become a conqueror of obstacles. All souls who are in connection with you will then thank you. Slogan is, become an embodiment of experience and the sparkle of the fortune of happiness will be visible on your face. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. With the speciality of unity and faith, become full of success. While there are many countries, many languages and many forms and colors, let unity be visible in each one's heart, because all are the children of the one Father. All are branches of the same tree and all are following the Srimat of the One. To show unity in the differences, to reform that which is spoilt, to bring about unity in diversity is the biggest service. This is a wonder and also the basis for success.